Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Limited stock, so put it mildly. Once they're gone, they're gone. Okay, it's not a sales talk. Unfortunately, Kiraki now don't make these things, but these are ones we've had powder coated satin black. You can see I left all the chrome bits in as well, so you get a real nice effect between the two. But this particular set's for an M18. Also fits the C109, the M1800, and also with a bit of mods, the VZ1800 or the M90. That's a twin injector bike as well. But it is a bit of a nightmare to make it fit. It took me half a day, but you can do it if you watch the video. Okay, these particular items are, say, very hard to get hold of. These are the pros, the big ones. Okay, this will effectively, each one's over 120 horsepower potential with the right engine airflow wise. Okay, so technically if you could really get enough fuel in, you could, you know, 250, 300 horsepower, but you'd obviously need nitrous or something. But also do the standards, which are basically this sort of height. A lot better for short asses like me trying to reach the brake pedal, which on a lot of bikes can be an issue if you shorten the leg. Reach the brake pedal and miss it and you're going to hit something. But cracking bit of kit, all this CNC, as you can see, Thunder Manufacturing, make beautiful stuff. Made in the States, not Chinese garbage. And if you're interested, give us a call. 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.